Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Mitsubishi Attrage 1.2 liter. If you are looking for an economical Japanese sedan, this car might be just right for you. Let's check it out. Have a look at this ride. This is a facelifted model, so it comes with a lot nicer design with sharper lines. We got a bit of red trimming on the grille and a very sporty looking bumper. Look at the side profile. This car is seriously very compact, but you'll be surprised by its size on the inside. All right, comes with some nice accessories. We got sport rims, we got rain visor, very useful accessory. Also, we have a very nice boot lip spoiler. Look at it from behind. Okay, now let's check out the boot space. So you press this button. I told you guys, surprisingly massive boot space in comparison to size of the car. Look, you have no problem fitting large luggages in here. Now behind, surprisingly, very spacious for your rear passengers. I mean, look at the amount of leg room. By the way, I did not push the chair forward. I was driving this car earlier, and with my height, this is how much room you have behind. Really a lot. Leather seats with nice stitching. Also, this elbow rest can be deployed with additional cup holders as well. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Even though this is considered a budget car, it comes with some nice features. We have keyless entry, keyless start. Over here is your start button. Multifunctional steering, which is full leather, by the way. Look at it, underneath the cover, it's a very nice leather, beautifully stitched, and also with some nice design elements, very similar to, I would say, Mitsubishi Outlander. Comes with upgraded Android infotainment system. Okay, this one not for factory, but you consider feature for this particular car if you're looking to buy aircon controls right here. And guys, I gotta say, aircon here is super duper cold. I don't know, maybe it's because Mitsubishi also makes aircon, so the car aircon is also very good. We have plenty of storage. Got storage here, got a couple of cup holders there, got another cup holder behind there, your gear selector and a handbrake that you can pull. Leather seats with a nice contrast stitching, and also this pattern over here, I like it. One thing I like about this car a lot, it's a compact car, so there is no space to fit a compartment here, which means your elbow gotta hang off, right? But no, look, there's an elbow rest for you. Okay, you can adjust different heights some more. Very useful, very comfortable. All right, well, have another look, guys. On COE, we still got 5 years and 4 months left, plenty of time for you to enjoy. Only 2 owners before, reasonably low mileage, and the condition, as you saw, is also good. You all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.